All right, so by now we have already gone over 2-point perspective. Okay? This little project is going to tie that in to some shading work that you did earlier this year. So, first thing we are going to do here is we have to figure out where to put the vanishing points. In this case, that's why I've stuck this little strip of paper on here for you. Okay, you're going to put a dot over here, a little dot over here. Okay? Now, for this particular project, okay, the name of it, I came up with it all by myself, is called the French Fry Project, because by the time we're done, it looks like one of those crinkle cut French fries, like you would get from the store and put in your oven, or if you've ever been on the boardwalk at one of the shores, okay, they sell crinkle cut French fries. So what we're going to do is you're going to start by making a zigzag line going down your paper. These zigs and zags can be different lengths, but you do not ever want to have your ruler at a really severe angle like this. Okay? Nice, simple, ziggy-zaggy lines. You'll notice I started in the middle up here. Okay? I didn't exactly get it in the middle, but it's close. Okay? That's key. So start in the middle. You want to try and end in the middle too. Okay? Should look like you've got this crack going down the middle of your paper. All right, so here I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 corners. Okay, anywhere from 9 to 12 will be fine. Less than that, this is going to look kind of dumb. All right, now our next step is to begin to connect the corners to the vanishing points, these dots. Okay, when you do this, you must do it nice and light. Okay, very lightly. Don't push with your pencil. So use your ruler. You're going to line it up with the dot that you made over here. See my pencil wiggling around in the video. And you're going to start at the top of the paper where you started your line. And you're going to very lightly connect that to there. Now, obviously, as we draw along, we're going to go off the paper. Oh, well, that's all you can draw. Okay. Then we move to our next corner. Use the ruler to connect the corner to the dot. Light. Just keep working these corners to that dot. Last one, bottom. It's like that. So you can go ahead and take care of that step first. Okay? Then, after you're done, you're going to go over to that point on this side. Same thing. Take your ruler. And connect your corners to that dot super lightly. Again, kids, I am lightly dragging my pencil along the edge of the ruler. Okay, there's a couple things that that helps with. Number one, it doesn't try and make the ruler move if you're pushing against it. Okay, and number two, it's easy to erase. And then also, if you look at the way my hand is spread out on this ruler, that also helps keep it from moving around. Okay, so there you go. I have connected all those corners to the dots. So if you need to pause up and do that, go right ahead. And I'll tell you what the next step is. All right, so now what you're going to do, this is probably the hardest part of the whole little project that we're doing, okay? It's all about parallel lines. Now, parallel lines are lines that go the exact same way that will never run into each other, okay? So what you're going to do here is you're going to take your ruler, you're going to line it up with the first line you did when we first started this. Okay, I did it right here. Okay, just go out. And you're going to take your ruler and you're going to slide it, making sure that the edge of the ruler stays the exact same way as that first line. Okay, you slide it a little ways, a couple inches is fine, and you are going to connect the first two lines that we did to the dot. So like this. See that they are parallel. They go the same way. They will never run into one another. Okay, this line and this line. Then it's a simple follow the leader type of deal. So my next line is this one. Line it up. And now I'm going to slide the ruler until I see the end of the line that I just finished. And there it is, right there. Okay, so I am going to now connect like this. Now this line and this line are parallel. I move to the next one. Line it up here. Slide the ruler, keeping it parallel with the line that I started with. And voila. And if you can now start to get your mind around this, you're seeing the side of my French fry. Okay. So I just keep doing that. Line it up, slide. Connect, move on. Line it up, slide. Oops, sorry. Line it up, slide, connect. All these lines are parallel with one another. And you work your way down on this side. Then you do the same thing for the other side. Line up your ruler. Slide it this way. A couple inches. Connect. Like that. And you work your way down on this side. I would keep going all the way to the bottom of the paper. Once you've gotten to the bottom of the paper, you're going to go back and you are going to very carefully get rid of these lines that you no longer need. That is part of the reason why we don't push too hard with a pencil, because we don't want to see those anymore. They are not part of our French fry. Okay? So that is stage one of this project.